Once upon a time, in the heart of a wild jungle filled with towering trees and vibrant wildlife, lived a kind-hearted princess named Snowbina. She was adored by all the animals in the jungle for her gentle nature and caring heart. However, one day a mischievous and envious antagonist, a sneaky monkey named Zara, cast a magical curse on the princess. The curse caused Snowbina to turning her from a young princess into a cat. The jungle was filled with sorrow as their beloved princess suffered under Zara's weak spell. Determined to find a solution and save their princess, the animals of the jungle gathered and whispered about a legendary power hidden deep within the heart of the jungle, a time machine that could reverse any curse or spell. Excited and curious, Princess Snowbina embarked on a quest to seek out the mysterious time machine with the help of her loyal animal friends. Along the way, they faced numerous obstacles, from treacherous rivers to dark caves, each testing their courage and determination. Finally, after a long and arduous journey, they reached the heart of the jungle, where the time machine awaited them. With a deep breath and heart full of courage, Princess Snowbina activated the time machine. Its mystical powers surrounded her in a brilliant light. As the magical energies swirled around her, the curse slowly lifted, and the princess felt herself growing younger. The animals watched in awe as their beloved princess transformed back into her youthful self, her kind smile brighter than ever before. With the curse broken and Zara's weakness defeated, the jungle erupted in joyous celebration. The animals danced and sang in honor of Princess Snowbina's bravery and selflessness. And so, Princess Snowbina ruled over the wild jungle with wisdom and compassion, and they all lived happily ever after.